Hi everybody, it's Kurt from stuffopafinds with a demo video for a Sony HI8 camcorder. It's a bundle. It comes with the AC adapter, AV cable, the camera of course, a Sony strap, another strap. This is the old battery that doesn't hold a charge very long, so we replaced it with this little package here. It's a cast iron battery, fits the camcorder, charges, works, it's brand new. Also comes with this handy battery charger that has a plug-in. You can plug it into the wall. This camcorder did not come with anything like that originally. You can charge it directly in the front, through a port in the front somewhere. Maybe it's in the back. It's in the back by the battery right there. And it'll charge the battery pack. This is just a quick demo video to show it in operation. Also comes with a fairly nice vinyl camera bag and the instruction manual. Okay, so it comes with a lens cap, which we've taken off so we can take a quick little demo video. Model number on this is CCD-TRV328. Everything seems to work just fine with this. We've tested it fairly extensively because it's fun to use. Right now we're going to turn it on, and got to open the screen. One thing is, you can see it here. The only thing we can notice with this that is really kind of I guess what you could call a defect is, it looks like maybe someone tried to clean the screen at one time, and this flip screen does have a pretty good sized smudge. You can't really see it when you're recording. Once we turn it on, you'll see that. So with that, we're just gonna turn it on. And we'll shoot a quick little demo of this bag here, I guess. So we'll just hit the record button. And it is recording. We'll zoom in and out. I guess maybe we'll see if we can get something a little smaller here. We'll just do it over here. We'll zoom in and zoom out. Zoom works. So there's our test shot. We'll turn it off and rewind it and see what it looks like on the screen. Okay, now it's in play mode. So we'll rewind it. Okay, I guess we could hit the counter reset button for the heck of it. You can see it reset just fine. And then we can do play. And it is recording. We'll zoom in and out. I guess maybe we'll see if we can get something a little smaller here. We'll just do it over here. In and zoom out. Zoom works. Okay, so that's the conclusion of the demo. This is available on eBay at stuffopafinds. Thank you for watching.